Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Joya Buy. Joya Buy is an online shopping platform that offers a wide range of products including fashion, beauty items, and more. It is popular for its affordable prices and deals, making it a good choice for budget shoppers. To get started, you need to sign up by creating an account using your email or social media. Once registered, you can browse categories, search for items, and add products to your cart. Payment options usually include credit cards, PayPal, and sometimes local payment methods depending on the region. Shipping times can vary, with some products taking longer to arrive. Customer service can be hit or miss, so checking reviews before buying is a smart move. Some users have reported delays or issues with tracking orders, so patience is needed. The return policy depends on the seller, so it's important to read the terms before making purchase. Overall, Joya Buy is a decent option for those looking for affordable shopping, but it requires careful checking of product details and seller ratings. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you get some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.